this problem, in number 11, we're given a graph of a linear function with some context. In this case, the horizontal axis. The x-axis is labeled months. 1 through 12, obviously 12 months in the year, so it's maybe January through December. So our independent variable, our x, remember x is independent, represents time, and our dependent variable, on the y-axis, we have number of dollars in savings account. So the value in the savings account is changing over time. Part A, find the y-intercept and explain the meaning of the y-intercept in the context of the problem. So I took this area of the graph and I blew it up over here. Remember, the y-intercept is the point on the y-axis. So this looks like the point 0, 300. So that's our y-intercept, 0, 300. What's the meaning of the y-intercept in the context of this problem? Well, if the horizontal axis is time, when time is 0, that means 0 time has passed. So it's like January 1st. No time has passed. He's starting the year with $300 in the account. So this graph is, cross that out, meant to underline it. This graph is representing his balance for the year. So at the beginning of the year, his balance is $300. Part B, what is the rate of change of the balance of John's savings account with respect to time? So remember, in this case, time is the independent variable. The balance of the savings account is dependent. So as time moves on, the balance is going up. The change in the balance doesn't cause time to move on. It's time is independent, balance is dependent. So anyway, the rate of change, that's the key word here. So in a contextual problem, rate of change is the slope. What is the slope of this line? Well, slope of the line is rise over run. We have one point over here, the y-intercept, and we have another point right here that looks like the point 1, 400. So slope is rise over run, up 100 over 1, or just 100. So the rate of change is 100. And now for part C, what does that mean? Well, in this case, each month the balance is going up by $100. So that means he's depositing $100 a month. Based on this graph, that's the interpretation. The balance is increasing by $100 a month, or he's depositing $100 per month.